we see Marty in a boat with two Corellos and Polly. As Polly says, "You look upset with me. I understand. So maybe then you can understand the hatred I have for your fucking dog. Things change, Marty. I frankly am looking forward to seeing what we can build together rather than separately. That is why we have done what we have done. So hopefully you will sit there and cooperate with what we do next." Marty says, "After what you did. After how you did it. I just have one question for you." Polly says, "And what's that?"